there is divisive and fake narrative that is being peddled by mostly my age mates, who we call the millennium generation, who wants to think Kenya have just been born in the 80s and have just been born in the 70s. I want to remind my colleagues and my friends that before even we entered in parliament, Kenya was there, and there were distinguished men and women who labored for us even to enjoy entering parliament at the age of 18. I want to remind ourselves, hapo mbeleni, until you attain the age of 35, you not even enter parliament. The new constitution, which was fought for so hard by our forefathers, it has liberated us and allowed us to participate in democratic spaces, and everybody can be anything in this country as long as you have your ID. Number two, this fake narrative you are seeing is being rumor mogad around social media by characters and people who even never dared to vie for an elective seat. I, Kate Warugoro, I vied for Laikipia seat. When I lost, I joined UDA and supported UDA. I want to dare some of these people who sit and imagine that they can form government through laptops and phones. Please go down to your village and go look for votes so that you can understand what it takes for somebody to become a deputy president. And I want to ask Generation Z, na millennia, if porojo na narrative na fake news in Arusha social media everywhere, ask people who have been there what happened and how did we arrive at where we are. Hiyo sheria inaitwa ya cyber bullying bill, na hii ya kuchunga watu from bullying and harassment. Mheshimiwa Mukami, you were in parliament, and I remember Rigathi Gachagua then as a member of parliament for Rigathi, for Madera, tukipigania hiyo bill. We did not know that the same characters who caused a wedge between Emeritus President Uhuru Kenyatta and the Deputy President then, William Samoei Ruto, would transit with us to come bring chaos in the House of Kenya Kwanza. And so we are calling you out, get yourself busy, famu ni kujituma, turudi kwa uwanja tukatafute kura. Ya pili na ya mwisho. And I will speak briefly, then niongee Kikuyu. Mount Kenya is taking a flight bath. Mount Kenya is coming to birth again. Dauga ati kirima na nyumba ito yothe yagema nere kaide-ini ga gũciarithia rĩngĩ na gũciarwo rĩngĩ na tũtigũciarwo tu democracy-inĩ tũgũciarwo nginya maũndũ megiĩ ũteti. What you want to do with that information is up to you. So I want to ask our people, please, let's align ourselves to where the future is. Because the future of the Republic of Kenya cannot be debated without us ignoring the component of electoral vote of the people of Gema and the people of Mount Kenya, whether anybody likes it or not. So Mount Kenya is coming to birth. We are taking a flight to rebirth. And as we do rebirth, Your Excellency the Deputy President, don't fear anybody. Sukuma mtoto. Mheshimiwa Jane Kiara na Mukami will tell you, kama wakati ya mtoto kutoka imefika, Mlima Kenya izaliwe mara ya pili. Nobody can stop it. Nobody will stop it. Kuna mahali haikusukumwa vizuri, ndio tuko kwa hii mess. Na mwenye hakusukuma vizuri, mnamjua. Na huyo ndiye alikuwa sponsor wa Limuru 3. Wachani kushinda mkipiga mtoto wetu Rigathi. Huyu mwenyewe hata hasara ya kampeni hajarudisha, anasumbuliwa na maneno ya Limuru 3 namna gani? Mwenyewe amesema alikuta ndani ya kiwanja hakuna kitu, hata bea kanisa ndio na akanyambo. So we are building the economy. And I want to tell these young people, because my opinion, as Kate Warugoro, the problem in this government is too much accessibility of State House and our offices by certain crooks who have formed a cartel to be peddling rumors about people, individuals and people, so that they are able to create a wedge waingie hapo katikati. Ndio nakuta hii mtu ya Keverereki, hii mtu ya TSP kutoka kule kwetu na Nyuki. Huyo mtu hata hakupigia Ruto kura, apeleke meme na Nyuki. Hakumpatia kura, hakuamini hata Ruto anaweza kuwa rais. And we know for the longest period, you've had issues with the issues of Mount Kenya and who becomes the next anything. So we are telling you, my friend, if you want to become a deputy president, come talk to us. The deputy president has talked to us, even when we were not too sure. He has proved to us beyond reasonable doubt that he can do it. He has not absconded his duties. He has been a hard worker. Kazi ya kahawa na majani umepewa, umeifanya, na vile umefanya kazi yako, hata yetu tutaifanya usiku na mchana mpaka tuhakikishe Mount Kenya has come to birth. Let me hear an amen. Tuko pamoja. Si asanteni, mimi nimeshukuru, msiuziwe uoga. Hii mtu ya Keverereki, hii mtu ya hapa kwetu, Hakuwa Kenya Kwanza, alikuwa Kenya Kwanza mchana, usiku anajificha anakuja kusalimiana. That man is speaking on behalf of some characters who cannot dare face the president or the deputy president. He's somebody's mouthpiece. He is speaking for some young men in Mount Kenya who are imagining that they can be crowned to become our leaders kupitia kwa social media. Sasa wale wa social media, tukutane mtandao, hata mimi niko na simu yangu. Bye bye, God bless you.